Good morning. It is Monday, May 18th. This is going to be a quick one. It is a pretty common SAT question. It's a pretty simple SAT question. We want to make sure we get it right. I can evaluate expressions by solving linear equations and substitute in. So these are the notes: solving linear equations followed by evaluating expressions that we're doing. We're going to solve the equation, and then we're going to substitute that answer into the given expression. So, um, listen, this is 7th grade math, so I guess I might as well go through the notes for solving linear equations. Let's check it out. So when you're solving linear equations, first step is to get rid of fractions by multiplying by the LCD. Then we want to get rid of parentheses by distributing. Combine like terms. Bring all x to one side. And then we isolate. And we're isolating. We add or subtract first. Divide last. Actually, I have a song for this. Why don't we pull up the song? This is an Algebra 1 song. I didn't have it prepped, but, you know, it doesn't take too long. Let's go to my YouTube channel, playlists, Algebra 1 songs. There's my Algebra 1 songs. Here it is. Bring all x to one side, isolate, add or subtract first, fraction, parentheses, highlight term, bring all x to one side, isolate, add or subtract first. All right, so that's just your 7th grade solving linear equations. Let's find back where I was. Again, you want to get rid of fractions, then parentheses, combine like terms, bring all x to one side, isolate, add or subtract first, and divide last. So, fractions, no. Let me just get this going here. Parentheses, no. Combine like terms, no. Bring x to one side, no. Isolate, add or subtract first. See a plus 3, so I subtract 3. You're like, really, mister? Yeah, this is an SAT question. Divide last. X equals -3. So now that I have x, it doesn't want the value of x. It wants the value of 4x minus 2. So now I'm going to substitute the -3 in for x. -12 minus 2 is -14. So we're going to solve the equation. Once I solve the equation, I'm going to substitute that value into the expression that it wants me to evaluate. Let's jump to a more complicated one, I guess. Let's take a look at number let's do the last one. Let's do number 5. If 2x plus blah blah blah, find the value of blah blah blah. Fractions, no. Parentheses, yes. I'm going to distribute. I get 2x plus 6x minus 3 equals 6x minus 6. Combine like terms. 2x and 6x is 8x. Bring all x to one side. Subtract 6x on both sides. Isolate, add or or subtract first and divide last. So I get x equals negative 1.5. So now that I have x, it doesn't want the value of x, it wants the value of 2x over 3. So it's 2 times negative 1.5 over 3, which is negative 3 over 3. That's a little sloppy, which is negative 1. So again, I'm solving the linear equation. You're Algebra 2 students, that really shouldn't be an issue for you at this point. And if it is, then just use a strategy that we talked about already. And once you solve for x, you're substituting in to whatever it wants me to evaluate for. So we did number 5, we did number 1. Again, we're solving it. Once I get my answer, I'm substituting into the expression. That's it. It's a very, very short lesson, but it comes up the SAT quite a bit. So let's make sure we get it right. Your classwork / homework is to finish the worksheet. Your quiz will be due tomorrow night. I can evaluate expressions by solving linear equations and substituting in. So I'm going to solve the equation, then I'm substituting that answer into the given expression to solve linear equations. In case you're not able to solve linear equations at this point, these are your steps. And that's it. I'm going to post the quiz shortly. Again, this is a very short, very simple lesson, but it is a common SAT question, so we want to make sure that we get it right. Reach out to me or Ramon if you have any questions. Have a great day.